Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start now by checking battery and proximity. Make sure Bluetooth is active on the device you normally pair with. Once done, don't wait. Locate the digital crown and the noise control button on the right ear cup. Press the noise control button briefly to toggle modes, then hold the digital crown and the noise control button together for a few seconds to force a sleep command. You do this because AirPods Max use button combos to enter low activity states and conserve power. You now perform the core steps. Press and hold both the digital crown and noise control button for about 5 to 10 seconds. Watch for the LED status change as confirmation. Once you see that, place the AirPods Max face down or folded, with ear cups closed to minimize motion sensors triggering. Make sure to check settings on your device. Disabling automatic head detection will prevent unexpected wake events. These actions reduce sensor input so sleep sticks, and battery drain drops significantly. You finish by confirming the AirPods Max are asleep. The Bluetooth connection should drop and the LED will be off or show the expected pattern. If they won't sleep, perform a deeper reset. Hold both buttons for about 15 seconds to force a power cycle and then retry the sleep sequence. Make sure to test with another paired device to isolate issues. If this doesn't fix it, contact Apple support or book a Genius Bar. They can inspect hardware or firmware problems that prevent proper sleep.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.